Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Online Study for You. I hope you all are doing extremely well. So in this video we are going to discuss about the important sections, right, that you must be having in your TCS NQT exam that is being conducted for 2023 batch. So basically we are going to talk about some important tips, right, some important discussion we are going to have in this video, and apart with that I'll be discussing some important things as well that you can take care of regarding your sections that you will be having in your TCS NQT exam. So let's get started with the same. So first of all, as you all must be knowing that there is going to be foundation section, right? So basically foundation section is for the filtration regarding ninja candidates as well as for digital candidates as well. Like if you are doing good in this particular section, then you will be given a chance for next section, right, that is going to be an advanced section for you. So just let's have a quick look on that part. So for the foundation section you must be aware like what are the sections we'll be having within. So verbal ability we do have, numerical ability and reasoning ability, right? So if you are doing a sort of okay performance in that, then you'll be given then you'll be provided a chance of TCS Ninja, right? Then that is what the thing is. And if you have done very good in this particular section, in the foundation section where you will be having 3 sections that I just specified, then you will be given a chance for TCS Digital, right? So for that you have to go through advanced section, right? So where what you will be having, this is going to be TCS NQT part B basically. So you will be having advanced quantitative ability, advanced coding and advanced reasoning ability. So that's what you will be having, right? So the important part, first of all, let me describe about the foundation section. So I believe because there's, I think that the very less days they are remaining, right? So very few days are there for preparation. So I'm not expecting that someone is going to be there who's going to start the preparation from scratch. I believe that you have already started, right? So the thing that you have to take care of is that now attend the IRC test that they're going to conduct for you, right? If you have got the mail already, then that is fine. If you haven't got, then definitely you'll got, so you'll get it. Don't worry about this, right? They'll definitely send you, because what the thing is, it will give you an idea about the actual exam. This is not going to be the actual exam, but an idea about like whether you will be able to go through the questions or not, right? Whether you'll be able to switch through the sections or not. So you'll get a proper idea regarding the actual exam. So that is one thing. And the other thing is, don't try to learn something new now, right? So that's what I'm expecting from you. Whatever you have prepared till now, just be with that. Go through the previous year questions paper. So they are very very important. Like in my most of the videos I've mentioned this thing, that previous year question paper are very important, not just for TCS but for any company, right? They do give you an idea about the difficulty level, what kind of questions are going to be asked, what is going to be the difficulty level, and even after preparing the syllabus, are you able to solve these questions or not? Also, it's not about just solving the question, it's about solving the question in a given time constraint. So if possible, give mock test as well. Analyze yourself where you are currently standing, how many questions you are able to solve in a given amount of time. Because this is one thing that we have repeatedly got from the students, that they know the questions, right? They know how to solve a particular question, but what they are not able to do is this time management thing. And especially in case of like TCS, if I'm discussing right now, so aptitude is sort of right, so it demands for sort of efforts, right? The questions are going to be pretty good enough, right? So the difficulty level will be there for aptitude part, and mostly it happens with the students that they are not able to complete this section in the given amount of time, right? So questions are also lengthy, they are also tricky. Another thing is that you haven't done this thing, right? You haven't analyzed yourself that in a given amount of time are you able to solve the questions or not. Also, don't spend too much time on a question, because you already know. See, just give 1 or 2 minutes to a question, but then if you think that okay, you won't be able to solve, or if there is a particular topic that you haven't even prepared, you haven't even prepared for the TCS NQT exam. So if you're coming across a question from this particular section, you completely leave it. I mean, by leaving, I don't mean to like you don't have to select any option. I didn't mean that. You have to select, because there is no negative marking. So make a note of that as well, that there is no negative marking. So don't leave blank any question. You don't have to leave it blank. Mark any random option. There can be a possibility that it can be a correct one also, right? So that's what you have to keep in your mind. And previous year questions are must to do. Even we have done so many videos, like on our YouTube channel itself, on Online Study for Yourself. You will get many videos for for previous year question paper. So just go through them, just analyze yourself that whatever questions are there, are you able to solve them or not. So that is one thing. And see, if you already know it, right? So what you are currently targeting, if you are targeting Ninja or you are targeting digital, so accordingly you have to think about it, right? So if you are targeting Ninja, so don't try for other advanced section that I just specified, that is quantity ability, coding and reasoning ability, because time is very less now. So I believe that till now you have decided what for now you are targeting. If it is Ninja, then the 3 sections that I specified for the foundation section, do a proper preparation for them. And if it is you are targeting digital, then apart with that, like obviously foundation you have to do good, right? Only then you will get a chance to proceed further for the digital candidature, right? So you have to do good in both cases, right? For the foundation section as well and the advanced section that is specified, right? Now for advanced section as well, right, they do conduct this opportunity. They always do provide to NQT candidates, for the candidates those performance exceptionally good for the NQT test. They do provide this opportunity to all the candidates, right? So for that, what you can do, just refer the previous year question paper. See, now the time is very less, so I won't recommend you to go through any new topic or revise the things. And I believe that those who are targeting digital or Ninja, they are already done with most of their preparation because time is very less now. Still, to analyze yourself, go through the previous year question papers, the topic that they have asked the most, right? Maybe it can be from coding. Let's say if you have gone through some coding questions and you can see they have asked too many questions from DP or greedy, or any other specific data structure. So try to practice the questions. The thing is, obviously the questions are not going to be repeated, that is for sure. No question is going to be repeated for TCS, but there can be a possibility, right? A question similar to that one, this can be possibility even for other sections as well, right? So that is one thing. For aptitude as well, like as if this is the advanced aptitude, so the level is going to be bit difficult than what you will be facing in the foundation section. So for that also you can refer the previous year question papers. Whatever aptitude questions are there, you can just refer them, do the preparation, and revise the topics. At the end time, what you can do is revise the important formulas, that they are going to be really helpful for you. So revise the important formulas, and that's it. I think that would be more than enough if you are doing that much preparation. And yeah, just do best from your side, and I believe that it is going to be good for you. So don't be nervous. First of all, don't be nervous. As much as whatever you have done till now, don't try to start something new. Revise all those things, revise all those topics, because revision is equally important. And do give marks to analyze yourself, and that's it, right? So you are ready enough for the test, I would say. And attend the IRC test, and whatever information you are getting from TCS, make a note of that as well. So yeah, I believe that's all from my side. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and all the best for your examination. Do your best from your end. Thank you.